Well, Uber is facing a massive lawsuit, and this could very well lead to the end of Uber. I don't even know. Maybe Uber could bankrupt after this lawsuit because more and more people are joining in on this lawsuit because it's a class action lawsuit. So please thumbs up the video, my friends. And I do want to thank our sponsor. Solo is the business app for gig workers. They are providing drivers with guaranteed pay. As you can see here, if you go out and drive from 10 to 11 a.m., they're going to guarantee that you make 37 bucks in that hour, which is really great. If you don't, they're going to send you the difference straight to your account. Now, that is available in select cities, but they do have a free app nationwide that you can sign up with anywhere in the country. And when you do, they're going to send you $15 just for signing up. And you can, you just got to link your account and type in your Venmo or your PayPal. So they have this awesome guaranteed pay feature, which is really, really cool. Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy is an investor and an advisor. So check out Solo with our link in the description box. You have to use our link to get that little bonus. It takes 30 seconds, and now let's get started. So Uber's facing a lawsuit from dozens of women over SA by drivers. Drivers are, you know, not behaving, and they're doing illegal activities. Not only breaking the law on the traffic laws, but also breaking the other laws too. Uber is facing lawsuits from as many as 550 women passengers across the United States who have alleged that they were aided by drivers on the platform. Now, I have to say, I'm sure that there are just as many, if not, well, I don't want to say not more, but I'm sure there's so many drivers who have also been S8. And I myself, my friends, I'm just going to say it. I mean, I've never really come out here on the channel and said it, but I was physically touched by one of my passengers as a driver for, I was doing a Lyft ride at about 3, well, not 3 a.m., but it was like 1 a.m., midnight. And yeah, these two guys were, you know, they were trying to get me to hang out with them. It was really late and I felt really weird, really uncomfortable. One of the guys offered to pay me money to spend basically, you know, the evening, or not evening, it was 1 a.m., go out with them. He's like, we have money, we can pay you, we can pay you. He starts touching me, starts caressing me. I felt very uncomfortable, very awkward, and he was like, here, wait outside for us, we're gonna go inside the bar. He's like, come inside with us. I'm like, no. I felt so weird. This stuff, I don't know what it is, but when, I mean, even drivers too though, like, the initial complaint, which was filed in San Francisco County Superior Court on Wednesday by attorneys at Slater Skolman LLP, alleges that passengers were kidnapped, S8, battered, R-worded, falsely imprisoned, stalked, harassed, or otherwise attacked by Uber drivers per court filing. Yeah, guys, there's so many weird things that are going on inside Uber cars. Now, the question is Uber responsible for this? Or is Uber, like I'm assuming they're gonna say, oh, we're just a technology platform that connects passengers with drivers and we're not a part of it? Now, I do think that Uber should put a dash cam in every single car. They should, when a driver signs up, install a dash cam. They can get these dash cams from China. They buy them in bulk, buy 500,000, I don't know, you guys have billions of dollars. Spend a few million, get a few 100,000 get a couple thousand dash cams, whatever. Install them in cars, and when a driver, you know, quits, he needs to return that dash cam. That would prevent so much of these things from happening. It would help also with accidents as well. It would also help with safety. These are huge things. So anyways, want to make this quick update, my friends. Let me know your thoughts on this, and also check out Solo, please, down below with the link. You can sign up for free, and you can get that $15 cash bonus just for signing up with our link as a little promo they have. And you can also sign up for this guaranteed pay feature, which is available in select cities. It was really awesome. Solo is the business app for gig workers. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.